This is the Mission San Juan in San Antonio. In the 1700s, the Franciscans came into San Antonio and established about 5 missions to convert the natives and to settle down in settlements for Spain to claim this land. This is the main gate to enter the San Juan Mission, and you need permission to enter, and anybody who was deemed unworthy would not be entering here. This is the inside of the mission, which would have contained the priest, a small group of soldiers for protection, and the Catholic converts. This was, at the time, a fairly successful mission, as they were raising crops outside the walls and animals. And like so many things, diseases, and then of course Spain and the Mexican and the Texas wars took its tolls. But there still is a worshiping church here.